Do you need to up your B2B marketing game? That's a good question, and it all depends on how your business is performing against its objectives. So if you find that your sales are declining or your margins are getting squeezed, then there could be some fundamental business issues, but marketing has a role to play in terms of helping you address those issues. So having a dashboard and real-time information around those key metrics are key to capture potential issues early. Our Unleashed customers have that in a dashboard, so it lets them know when their sales orders and their margins are performing or not performing. The sooner you have that information, then you can look at the questions as to why. And in that diagnosis, it might be something that is predictable. For example, seasonal demand that is fluctuating a bit more than what you thought it might. But it also might be other areas that aren't so predictable. So you might have entered into a price war that you didn't really want to with competitors, or there might be other competitive threats that have come on board that are affecting your business performance. The good news is with digital marketing these days, you can get that real-time information through tools like Google Analytics and through the social media tracking, so you can see how your different activities are performing. So now you have a good idea of your business challenges and how your marketing is performing. The question is, what else can you do? So looking at some key areas on your marketing activities will help you meet those challenges. The first one is looking at your channel or your go-to-market. Is there a new partner that you can look at taking on board, or a new platform you can operate on? For example, Amazon making a stir in a number of countries, so it might be looking at a partner like that that can help you reach some new customers and a wider base of potential customers. Then there's looking at your marketing communications and seeing if there's other areas you can focus on. You might only be doing a little bit of paid marketing through Google. Is there something you can do on social media marketing through Facebook or other platforms that will help you get more customers? Or you can try getting more customer referrals. So looking at what quotes and what case studies you can get from your current customers and putting those forward in your different marketing activities to see if that helps you get some new customers. The other key area, and it's a bit more of a longer term investment from a marketing perspective, is gaining some good insights on your market and your customers to make sure you're developing new products and services to meet their needs. But obviously that's got to have a longer term focus to it to make sure you're keeping up to play. So once you've got a good idea of your business challenges and how your current marketing is performing, looking at those areas will really give you some new ideas to lift your B2B marketing game. How you can look at different channel partners and different ways of communicating out to your market, and potentially new products or services to improve what you've got for your customers. Those things together will help you up your B2B marketing game.